Hello creative people, this is Gaurav and today I'm going to teach you how you can achieve this VHS effect. You can use this effect, say you are showing someone's childhood memory or maybe very old memories. So you can use this effect to make it look more better and also to give the vibe of old memories. So let's go and watch the video. Alright, before starting the tutorial, let me tell you need to download some files and the links are in my description. So please download the files before starting the tutorial and let's move on to the video. So friends, as I've already showed you what I'm going to teach you today, let's start with the tutorial. So I have already imported the clips and I have added a piano music. Let's hear it. So this is the general look. Now we are going to give it a retro VHS look. So before starting the tutorial, let me tell you, you need to download 4 files and I have given the link of those files in my description. So the first file is VHS tape overlay, the second is old movie dust and grain, the third is 8mm sound effects, and fourth is LUTs. So fourth you will get two files, one is in the look format, one is the cube format. You can download both the files. It depends on some software that sometimes it works as look and sometimes it works as cube. So let's start the tutorial. So as you can see, I have already imported the files here, these 3 files. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, we need to make an adjustment layer. We know how we can make an adjustment layer. We will right click here, we'll go new item and click adjustment layer. We'll press OK. As you can see, the adjustment layer is here. We'll pull it and drop it here and let's stretch it. OK. As you can see, I have kept space between the clips and the adjustment layer because we are going to add more files here. So let's start by giving an effect here. So for the first effect, we need to crop it. As you know that in old days the ratio used to be 4:3. So today I'm going to make it look like 4:3. This may not be the perfect 4:3 ratio because I haven't looked for the actual resolution, but this is somewhat like 4:3. So let's bring the crop effect. For that we will type here crop and you can see under transform there is crop effect. We'll just click it and drop it here. Now we are going to change the left and right. We'll make it 15 and we'll make it 15 on the right as well. As you can see, the edges are very sharper, but we need smooth edges, so we are going to change the feather. So you can see here the option is edge feather. We are going to change it to 50. Now it has a old look. So the crop is done. Now the second thing we need is to put the VHS overlay. So you can see this is the file. This is the file. We are going to just drag it and drop it here, and we will just cut the excess part. Okay, now it's deleted. As you can see, it is smaller than the actual footage, so we are going to rescale it. We will click on scale and change the size to 159 or let's make it 150. So now the size matches with the frame. Okay, now we can see that this is black screen, so we are going to change the blending mode. Under opacity you can see blend mode and we will change this to screen. Okay, and done. The first effect is done and we have this overlay and also a grain in the background. Now if I play, see this already has an old look. Now we are going to put another effect, that's old movie dust and grain. We're going to click this and we will import it here. Same with this one also, we will just cut it and delete the excess, and we are going to change the blend mode here as well to screen. Now you can see it definitely gives an old look. But to make it look more real, we are also going to put a sound effect, that is the 8mm sound effects. We are going to pull this and drop it here. Okay, now let me just cut the excess part. Now if I play from the beginning, you can see now it gives a vibe of old look. And for the last effect, we need to make it look older, that is change the color to an old sepia color. So for that we are going to import the adjustment layer again here and go to the color tab. I will click here color. Okay, now in the color tab you can see there are no settings changed. This is in its default settings. Okay, so I will just import my LUT that I have already included in the download files. We will select creative. Okay, and under here we will go browse and we will open the folder where we have downloaded. So this is my file. You will find these two files. You can import either of these two. So I will just click this one and click open. You can see it gives this old look. Now the effect is complete. Let me play it for you in full screen. See, it was very easy. All you need to do is download my files and put it according to this order, and you will achieve this effect. Alright friends, that's it for today. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new today. And let me know in the comment section how do you think the tutorial was, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep it rolling.